Hello and welcome back to the Impression Wiz channel. I'm your host, the Impression Wiz. And today I thought for kind of a tutorial of a voice, I'd teach you somewhat how to do my papyrus voice. So, how I ended up kind of creating my papyrus was pretty much because of watching Jacksepticeye's playthrough of Undertale. Because of what he does, because he pretty much took the He-Man Skeletor voice and put it to him, but kind of, it was his voice, so it kind of fit into doing papyrus. And a lot of people have his voice for papyrus as headcanon. I am one of these people. So I pretty much watched that a lot and started doing the voice with it. So pretty much it's Skeletor. Yeah. But how I tend to put him character-wise, and this is actually a big part of how I play him, is I kind of put him as the naive brother, of course, kind of how he is, but I tend to play him as naive, but trying to look out for everybody. That's what a lot of people do, but I try to embody that character when I'm doing the voice. So it's not just a generic He-Man Skeletor voice. Meow, I'll get you, He-Man. It ends up being more of papyrus. And I guess in a way it's kind of meow. It is nasally, but kind of more towards the front of the nose, more than behind, like in the back of the nose, if that makes sense. Yeah, yeah. Because they do sound slightly different, but not enough that I would probably say it's worth saying, except for I just said it, so you know what now. But I tend to put him pretty hyperactive on a normal case. And sometimes when I try to, or sometimes when I'm just kind of playing around with his voice, I kind of think that he's one of those guys you do not want to give coffee to. So that's just kind of, and that's kind of my mindset for doing papyrus. Because a lot of the voices I do are not just doing the voice, it's getting into the actual mindset of the character. Actually trying to become the character. That's what acting is about, and that's what voice acting is about. Excuse me. The only difference between voice acting and acting is the visual. Because with voice acting, there isn't a visual until someone animates a visual to it. When you're regular acting, you can put the actual physicality to it. So I kind of put in my mind with voice acting, it helps to put some of the physicality as well. I guess this is kind of a tutorial on how to do papyrus and slightly how I tend to do voice acting. So when you're watching these videos, I actually try to kind of embody the character. Even if I'm not doing the hand gestures, I'm pretty much doing the hand gestures in my mind, if anything. And I even sometimes do it without even thinking about it. So, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe it helped you kind of learn a little bit of how to do a papyrus impression or papyrus voice, and maybe kind of help with any of those voice actors looking for more stuff to help them with voice acting. Because I'm no expert, but I've been doing it a little bit, and I just haven't been paid to do it. I really wish I was, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please put a like on the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on anything I do. And as always, I will see you Wednesday.